Hello, students. Your topic for today is special provisions as to compensation in cases of hit and run motor accident. So, today we are going to understand what exactly happens in a hit and run case where a car accident takes place, what are the insurance claims, and what are the compensation related to it. So, the term hit and run is basically based on describing a road accident where the driver is responsible for the accident and he flees from the accident scene despite reasonable efforts, and neither the vehicle nor the driver can be traced. So the guidelines and necessary proceedings for a hit and run car accident are defined in section 161 of the Indian Motor Vehicle Act. And if you have to understand the nature of the accident, we will be going through few things and we can understand it in a better way. So the first thing is that what are the important details of a hit and run case offender. So though it is very difficult and the remaining to remain calm and alert in such kind of an unfortunate event of an accident that eventually turns out to be extremely useful also if you stay calm and alert. So you do not have to try to follow the offender, and not only will you have be unable to catch up, but you may also lose access to important witnesses at the accident scene if this happens. So instead of trying noting the fleeing car details like the number and the car model, this information can help the police and other involved authorities to gather crucial information and clues. So, the hit and run car insurance claim procedure. So, after the basic steps are covered, the claimant can apply to hit and run insurance compensation. So, the victim of the hit and run accident or his legal representatives must file an application to the claims inquiry officer in respect taluka, and it must be noted this also that this kind of applications can be filed only by the accident victim who has sustained serious injuries or suffered property damages. So the injured party or the victim is free to appoint his or her family member or even an agent as a legal representative. If a death occurs in such kind of a accident, so then in that case, the legal representative can file for compensation on the deceased person's family's behalf. Then, after making all the due inquiries, the claim inquiry officer will submit his report along with other relevant documents like injury certificate or post-mortem certificate to the claim settlement commissioner. Then the claim settlement commissioner will coordinate with the district collector or the deputy commissioner at the district level, and following which the claim will be processed. So the compensation dues will be sanctioned within 15 days from the time the claim inquiry officer receives the report, and he will then communicate the sanction order to the nominated officer of the concerned insurance company. So few pointers are always to be kept in mind before beginning the claim process for hit and run case. So to receive the deserved hit and run insurance compensation, it is necessary to prove that the offender was indeed a negligent driver who drove rashly, and it is important to support the testimony from the witnesses. Then it is necessary to get a report from the police confirming that the offender could not be traced, and in the event that the offender is caught, the hit and run insurance claimant does not stand eligible to receive any compensation. So, in case the hit and run insurance compensation has already been paid out, the claimant will need to refund the money. To this end, the hit and run insurance claimant will also need to submit an undertaking in accordance with the Indian Motor Vehicle Act. So, the compensations that is fixed under the Act is the hit and run insurance compensation is paid out from a Soltium fund. So this hit and run insurance fund is a scheme that is formed by the central government to compensate victims of hit and run car accidents. So the Solidium Fund is contributed by the general insurance industry as per an agreed formula. So Section 161 provides for the compensation payments. A fixed sum of rupees 12,500 in the event of grievous injury to any person resulting from a hit and run vehicle accident. A fixed sum of 25,000 in the event of demise of any person resulting from a hit and run vehicle accident. So the adversity is uninvited and unavoidable. However, having a car insurance policy in place and keeping the above points in mind can help one claim hit and run insurance. So that's all for today. Thank you so much.